If you are sneezing every time you're in that indoor area, whether that is your study, office, bedroom, or living hall, most probably the dust is lingering in the air. Hey, Andy here. This is Microfiber towel. You probably have one laying around at home, and I always wonder who else buys them, who uses them, and what they are used for, and why they choose this over other options. Like me, mostly use it for car related like washing and drying, you know what I mean, one of those boys things, and my wife use it for kitchen cleaning. This microfiber material wasn't for everyone back in the days because of the cost. But now, because it is so affordable and widely available, it became a real option for a lot of people. And speaking about what you can clean with this microfiber towel, we're not going to talk about normal cleaning like clean mirror, windows, or countertop. But we're going to point out 3 areas you can use this material like never before. And for some of you out there, it might just change your life. Ceiling. Apart from the floor, ceiling is probably one of the biggest surface, maybe same surface like the floor. If we pay so much attention to the floor, would it make sense to clean one of the biggest surface of our home or office? I know you're probably thinking that part is not a high-touch surface, right? But over the years, if not decades, that part of the surface might accumulate significant amount of dust that our eyes didn't tell us. The way you can clean the ceiling is by using this tool, which is widely available, or you might already have one at your home or office. 3 pieces of microfiber towel. I will explain why in a bit. 1 microfiber sleeve holder, which is widely available from grocery store, and 2 pails of clean water. No chemical needed. Why 3 pieces of microfiber towel, you may ask? Because we are using 2 steps rinsing systems. At any given time, 1 towel is inside the initial rinse pail where most of the collected dirt and dust will be rinsed off there. Another one is inside the second pail where towel is getting a cleaner rinse, and the last one is with you doing the wiping. All 3 pieces of microfiber towel are rotating from pail 1 to 2 and out for the wiping. This is to minimize the dirt and dust being transferred back to the ceiling. For me, I like to go a bit fancy to speed up the work by using this double bucket system with wringer so that I can get a consistent wringing at all time. This system also can be used for mopping. Wall. If you are sneezing every time you're in that indoor area, whether that is your study, office, bedroom, or living hall, most probably the dust is lingering in the air. If you don't believe me, never mind, just turn off all the light and turn on the table light, preferably warm light. You will be able to see how much fine dust is actually lingering in the air. Believe it or not, by wiping down all the wall in that area, we reduce the allergy and sneezing problems significantly. Here, use back the 2-step rinsing system with 3 pieces of microfiber towels to handle that task. You will be surprised how dirty the water is after you wipe down. Baseboard. Wait, do you really need to clean those? If you want a dust-free clean house, the answer is yes. The idea of getting our hands and knees to clean the border of every room might sound like a nightmare. But with microfiber towel, it's quick and easy because of split process fiber in the towels. Grab dust and dirt particles with just 1 swipe over. If you missed out our last video where we talk about how microfiber towel works, I'll link it up here. Alright, that's been it. Those are the 3 things you could try to minimize the dust being airborne around the house or office. Because think about it, dust, although it's very fine, they need somewhere or something to cling on, right? Now, if you wipe down from top to bottom, meaning ceiling, then wall, baseboard, and the floor, and if you follow this sequence, I can assure you, you can feel the difference almost immediately. Alright, hope you enjoyed the video. I'll put the link down if you're looking for color-coded microfiber towel. And give us a follow if you're on Instagram or Facebook. And consider subscribe if you want to watch more videos like this. And I'll see you in the next one. Take care.